If you work in sales, I'm going to show you a wonderful way to track your sales, your leads, your potential clients, your goals, and there's a calendar to stay organized. I'm going to show you how this sheet works. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel on my website at savvyandthriving.com. Okay, so here we go. First, this is your sales tracker. This is a great place to track the number of sales and leads you've had and your commission as well. So let's do a quick sample. So we can put the closing date, the contact name, the product that you sold, the source of your client, whether or not it's phone, website, ads, or networking, the status, if it's sold or not, the original sales price. So we can say it was, $4,500, and then the final sales price of the item. What's your commission rate? So you can change this as well. This is your possible commission based on the original sales price. And then once you have the final sales price put in there, it will tell you how much commission you actually earned, and then you can check it off as you got paid. This will show you the total number of sales, what your largest sale was, your total commission earned, and then here you can put in your goals as well. So that's how this sheet works. So this is your lead tracker dashboard. This will show you your total number of leads you have, your to-do list. You can write items here. This will show you your leads and which clients need to be contacted, which one needs a follow-up. This will show you your percent of leads per source. So how did they find you? The website, email, phone. This is the number of leads that are high priority, medium, and low priority. And here is your lead tracker. So you put your contact name here, the business name, their phone, email, and address. The first time that they contacted you, you can put the date here, and the last time that you reached out. Is this a low, medium, or high priority client? What source did they find you? Have you contacted them? Do they need a follow-up? And what the to-do list is. Here is your CRM dashboard. Again, it shows you your leads, what leads found you through email or ads, how many high, medium, and low priority clients do you have, how many sales have you had, and how many total leads do you have. This, again, is your sales CRM that works just like the other one. You've got your first and last contact, the priority status, if you've contacted them or do they need a follow-up, how many times have you followed up with them, and then what to do needs to be done. You can put the closing date, the original sales price of the product, what was the final sales price. You can put in your commission rate, the total possible commission based on the sales price, and the final sales price. It'll show you what your commission you actually earned, and check it off as you got paid. You can put your goals here. Check them off as you get them done, and then what your goal date is. And then here is your calendar. You can choose from the drop-down box your month, and then if you have a regular recurring meeting, so say on Tuesdays we've got a meeting, we can come in on Tuesdays and write, client meeting 2 p.m. and then it will show you that on Tuesdays. Or if you wanted to come in and write, closing at 1 p.m., you can do that as well. You can write your to-do list. Check it off as you get it done. You can write your goals and any notes. So that's how this sheet works. It's available again in Google Sheets and Excel on my website at savvyandthriving.com, and let me know if you have questions.